The 11-inch Granstar's now painted. Really happy with how it's come out. I've done the interior as well, which I need to sort of figure out how I'm going to get the original factory finish. There's a couple of little marks in the lacquer, but what I'll be doing, I'll flatten them off and then give it a good polish. I'm using 2000 grit wet and dry and just flattening it off like this. When I did the Artwood snare shell recently, it took me hours and hours to polish. So with this one, I'm going to try and sand it a bit softer, and then hopefully I won't have to spend so much time polishing. I've whipped round there, and that probably took 15 minutes. I'll give it another go, and then I'll turn my attention to the inside, so I don't damage any work I've done on the outside. The inside's nice and smooth now, so we get some scratch remover on there, and that should finish that off. Out comes the state-of-the-art polishing equipment again. Yeah.
That's a good drum. That's a good drum.
A good drum?
Yeah.
Yeah. It will be when it's finished.
So you're very good at drums.
Thank you.
You do this.
Can you say Granstar?
Granstar.
Granstar. Shell's more or less there now. Going to give it a couple more buffs on the wheel, and then we'll start putting the hardware on it. Now we'll use the Stanley blade and just clean the bearing edges up. It's amazing how much better it looks once you clean the bearing edges up. Going to need a grommet for this, so I'm going to pinch it off this drum here. And that's the shell complete. All the hardware's ready. Granstar Customs are a bit like Art Stars, and they had the rubber gaskets and all the hardware to protect the paint. So I'll get them cleaned up and get it put together. Here's the restored 11-inch Granstar Custom, now piano black rather than blue and orange spray paint. Come out really well. The interior looks lovely. I really do like the painted interiors. So cool. And hopefully now we can get it on someone's kit.